Good morning, students. Today, myself Kuldeep Singh. Today, I am going to explain you the chapter number 2, that is work, energy, and power. Student, this topic is very important, so try to understand clearly. So, first topic is work. So, in the physics, when the teacher is asking you that do some work, write the notes on your copy, then at home when you are sitting and your mom asks something to do the work, do some another work, and you are saying that I am doing the work, I am busy, I am doing work. Are you doing that work? According to physics, that is not a work. What is according to physics? What is work? Work is done only, that is condition, only is the condition when the force applied on the object and object should move from one place to another, then is the work is done. If you push the wall and someone is asking you that what are you doing, you are saying that I am doing some work. Is that work? No, that is not a work, because wall is not moving. In the wall there is no displacement is not there. That means the work is done. So according to the physics, work is said to be done only. What is only? Only is the condition when the force is applied on a body के ऊपर force लगाया and makes a body move, body में movement आई, that means displacement हुई, that is the work done. So this is the work done. How can we measure the work? By the magnitude of the force applied. Do you know that magnitude means the total effect of the force on which we are applying? Second, how much displacement we have done. That is the two ways are there by which we can measure the work. So work is the amount of work done by the force. Amount work done को कैसे measure किया जाए? Is equal to the product of force. कितना force लगाया? Multiply by the displacement of the point of application. जितना उसके अंदर displacement हुई, that is the work that we can find out the work done. Because regarding this, numericals are very important. Okay, so formula we can use: W is equal to F into S. What is F? F is a force. What is S? S is the displacement. So we are having a, if a work act on a body के ऊपर force लगा रहा है and body does not move, body move नहीं कर रही, तो what is the displacement? Is 0. Is that work done? No work is said to be done. So the SI unit of work is joule and the work is a scalar quantity. So expression, two expressions are there. First one is W is equal to Fs into cos theta. When we use this formula, this is also the work formula and this is also the work formula. When simply it is the force and displacement is given, then we can find out the work by this formula, force into S. When the work is done with that some angle is given, then we can use this formula, W is equal to Fs cos theta. This is one expression, and one more expression is there. This is S cos theta, and sometimes we can use W is equal to F cos theta into S. I will explain you that how you can use the formula W is equal to Fs cos theta. First of all, by finding the component of displacement. जब आपने displacement का component find out करना है, because cos theta is multiplying with S. So force लग रहा है, force किसकी direction में लग रहा है? Along the component हमने find out करना है displacement का, along the direction of force. जब direction force की direction में component displacement का find out करना हो, then we can use the formula W is equal to Fs cos theta. In that, then if we can use by finding the component of force, अगर force का component find out करना है in the direction of displacement, along the direction of displacement, then we can use the formula F cos theta into S. Is it clear? So what is this? So in this direction, the body is start from this point. In the inclined force we are applying, from this point to, we have to take the force at this point. Okay, the force is applying from this point to this point. That means in the कंपोनेंट ऑफ डिस्प्लेसमेंट इज मूविंग अलोंग दैट फोर्स भी लग रहा है इस साइड पे, तो फॉर्मूला कौन सा लगेगा, बाय यूजिंग द फॉर्मूला एफ एस cos theta. Now then again we are having cos theta is formula is based upon hypotenuse, then we can say W is equal to F into S cos theta. Then when if the body is moving from this point to this, but the force is at this angle in the forward downward direction, force is applying in the downward direction also and going upward, then we can use the because force now force cos theta, cos theta किसके साथ लग रहा है, फोर्स के साथ, ओके फोर्स की डायरेक्शन में cos थीटा लग रहा है. नाउ वी कैन यूज एफ cos थीटा मल्टीप्लाई बाय एस. सो दिस टू केसेस आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो नेक्स्ट इज वी आर हैविंग ए स्पेशल केस. Two types of forces work has to be done. One is positive and another one is negative. This is the ICSE question. So when does the work is said to be done positive? Work done positive कब होता है? When displacement जो है in the direction of force हो. Then at that time cos theta is 0. Then what is the value of cos 0? That is 1. So then work done is positive. Okay. So freely falling body, if body is moving from the upward direction to the downward direction, then body is in the displacement is in the downward direction, then also the work done is positive. Then this is very important. कुल्ली does work on the load. कुल्ली ने सिर पे लोड उठाया and raises it against the force ऑफ ग्रेविटी. जब वो फोर्स ऑफ ग्रेविटी के अगेंस्ट जा रहा है, देन इन द अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन जा रहा है, कुल्ली लोड को बस के ऊपर रख रहा है, देन मीन इन द अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन जा रहा है, देन वर्क डन बाय द कुल्ली इज रेजिंग लोड इज mg, देन ऑल्सो द वर्क डन इज पॉजिटिव. देन बाय रिवॉल्विंग द सर्कुलर पाथ, जो अर्थ है वो सर्कुलर पाथ में घूम रही है, फोर्स लग रहा है, डिस्प्लेसमेंट क्या हो रहा है, 0. सो वर्क डन क्या हो रहा है, सो डिस्प्लेसमेंट बिकम 0, सो वर्क डन बाय द फोर्स इज ऑल्सो 0 ओवर देयर. सो एट दिस केस, सो व्हेन डज द वर्क डन इज 0? व्हेन थीटा इज 90 डिग्री. जब थीटा क्या होगा, 90 डिग्री होगा. सो इफ द कॉस थीटा इज 90, देन कॉस 0, देन वर्क डन इज ऑल्सो 0. कुल्ली वॉक्स ऑन ए हॉरिजॉन्टल ग्राउंड. कुल्ली सिर के ऊपर लोड लेके हॉरिजॉन्टल मूव कर रहा है. क्यों? क्योंकि फोर्स उसका किस साइड पे लग रहा है, डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन, बट वो चल किस साइड पे रहा है, फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शन. तो एंगल कितना बना फोर्स और डिस्प्लेसमेंट में, 90 डिग्री. सो एट दैट टाइम cos 90 is 0, work done is 0 over there. Okay, so if the body is moving in the circular direction, so here also the work angle between is 90 degree, so work done is 0. These conditions are very important. So condition for the work done of the force is when there is a no displacement. अगर displacement नहीं हो रही तो work done क्या होगा, 0. Second क्या है, if the angle between them is 90 degree. This normal is very important. When the displacement is normal, in the physics when normal comes, that means 90 degree is there. At that time the work done is 0. When does the work done is negative? When the angle between them is 180, that time the work done is negative. Okay, so try to read this topic and solve it, the numerical also. So these topics we have discussed in the 9th class also. The unit of work is joule, and the 1 joule is 1 Newton into 1 meter. Definition we have discussed. CGS unit is erg. 1 erg is equal to 1 Newton dyne into 1 centimeter. Relationship in the 9th class also we have discussed. 1 joule is equal to 1 Newton into 1 meter. So 1 Newton is equal to 10 raised to power 5 dyne. 1 meter is equal to 10 raised to power 2. 5 plus 2 7. So 1 joule is equal to 10 raised to power 7. This relation is very important. Second one is power. So what is power? Formula is work done upon time. So rate of doing work is called power. Okay, so formula we have discussed. Then we have this is very important. Sometimes they may ask, they are asking, write the two factors of the power that depend upon the source, on which the source depend. First one is amount of work done, and the second one is time taken by the source to do such work. That is the formula. So this formula also we are using. Then what is the SI unit of power? SI unit of power is watt. So we can having a kilowatt, megawatt, gigawatt, so milliwatt, microwatt, all these are the units. Then CGS unit is erg per second. Relationship is very important, and this horsepower is very important. This is the competitive exam questions. Okay, so 1 power is equal to how many watt is there? 746. Make it understand. Then second one is energy. So energy is the doing work, is energy as a work done is called energy. Then we are having a SI unit is there, that is joule. CGS unit is also erg same. Watt hour, that is 1 watt hour is equal to 3.6 kilojoule. Kilowatt hour, 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 3.6 into 10 raised to power 6 joule. So students, try to read this topic and read the topic and try to find out the question answers. Thank you.